Rivers State government don yarn say dem don ready to hold 2 days economic and investment summit wey go drive meaningful change and sustainable development for the state. Rivers State Commissioner for Information Joe Johnson yarn dis one for one tori session with tori pipo for Port Harcourt and come yarn say the event go bring together leaders, experts and innovators from different sectors to discuss on important issues wey dey affect economic growth and development for the state. According to the commissioner, the program are part of the events where they lined up to commemorate Governor Fubara's 1 year for office and said the summit go hold between 22 and 23 of May 2024. The commissioner can list some of the issues where them go discuss for the summit, where include education, industrialization, ease of doing business, infrastructure and renewable energy, blue and creative economy, among others.
The one will be chaired by Professor Kingsley Morgan and co-chaired by Professor Magnus Bottom. And then the two will be His Royal Highness Mohammed Sanusi, the 14th Emir of Kano. Panel 1 will be dealing on inclusive education and technology. And the topics will be empowering the future, leveraging education and technology for youth and women empowerment. The second panel will be manufacturing and industrialization. The topic will be attracting investment in manufacturing strategies for collaboration and partnership. Then panel 3 will be ease of doing business, impact of government regulations, enhancing the ease of doing business in Rivers State. Then panel 4 will be infrastructure development and renewable energy. Panel 5, blue economy. We'll be harnessing the blue economy investment opportunities for sustainable coastal and marine sector.
Rivers State has the largest power assets in this country, and we're not pretending about it. In terms of all of the various turbines that were built, starting from Otili, right through Amici, So in terms of power assets, the power assets are here. And I guess the conversation will be how do we deepen that, which is what one of the panels will be talking about. In terms of the blue economy, in terms of marine economy, the blue economy is what I was talking about now. Rivers State has the most assets with regards to the blue economy. We have the greatest number of rivers. So when you took the marine economy, this is where to go. And it's a conversation that people are not even having. And so many other things. The creative economy, the creative sector. Every major creative person in this country had their origins in Rivers State.
Sure.
And you can double check that. It doesn't matter what part of the country they come from. The University of Port Harcourt, CRAB, we know, right? So when it comes to the creative economy, it's destination rivers. And when we're not, not to talk of the fact that the tap dance that they're dancing in America originated from our second. Yes. So we've got a lot to offer, and there's so much that can be done here. And then human capacity, we have the people.
Make una not forget, say, as we see them, and so we dey talk them. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.